Hi kids, hope you all are happy and safe at home. We had to face this situation of COVID, so we are introducing online classes. You people are so lucky to have these classes. You know about the board and also the smartphone. Okay, let us start our game. Learning large numbers, that is our topic. The word numbers, that is familiar for you. Just think of a world without numbers. We cannot imagine a world without numbers. We start our day to the end. We are using numbers in different ways. Just go to the kitchen. Your mother takes the measurement for preparing food. There she is using numbers. To shop something from the shop, when we purchase something, there also we are using numbers. To come to the school, we look at the clock, there also we are using numbers. So in detail, previous classes we have learned little numbers. First standard, you have learned numbers from 1 to 100. So which is the smallest one digit number? Smallest one digit number is 1. So when you count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, next number is 10. So the greatest one digit number is 9. Likewise, two digit number, which is the smallest two digit number. Smallest two digit number is 10. Greatest two digit number is 2 nines, 99. Then second standard, you learn about 3 digit numbers. So after 99 comes 100. That is the smallest 3 digit number. And the greatest 3 digit number is 3 nines. How will you read it? 999. Third standard, you learned about numbers from 1000 to 900, 9999, which is the smallest 4 digit number. Smallest 4 digit number is 1000. 3 zeros and 1. And greatest 4 digit number is 9999. All these things we have learned. You're familiar about the place value chart. When you write 375, from the right to the left, each digit has its places. 5 lies in 1's place. 7 lies in 10's place. 3 lies in 100's place. So these 3 digits form 1's period. How will you read it? 375. So we learned about the period, 1's period. Next to 1's period, if there is more than 3 digit number, Another period comes. It is thousands. So ones period constitute ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So how will you read it? This thousands place we have written thousands. Okay. Now how will you read it? 5, 2, 8, 1. 5 lies in thousands place. 2 lies in hundreds place. 8 lies in tens place. 1 lies in ones place. So when you read, you have to read the periods together. So read thousands period, then the ones period. So how will you read? 5,200. Read these together. 81. How will you write in words? 5,281. So let us work out these three numbers. Write the number names. 3285. How will you read? First of all, we'll give the places. 5 lies in ones place. 8 lies in tens place. 2 lies in hundreds place. And 3 lies in thousands place. So how can we read? 3,285. We'll write as such. Remember the spellings. We have to learn the spelling of thousand, hundred. See, thousand, THOUSAND. Hundred spelling HUNDRED. We'll go to the next one. How will you read this? 9 lies in ones place. 0 lies in tens place. 5 lies in hundreds place. 7 lies in thousands place. How will you write it? We have to read the periods together. So 7,000. Thousand spelling THOUSAND. 7,500. FIVE. 100. HUNDRED. Then tens place no number. So how will you read this together? 500, and we have learned last year. So 509. That is 7,509. Next. How you read this? 0 lies in ones place. 5 lies in tens place. 0 lies in hundreds place. 4 lies in thousands place. So periods together. 4,000. Here hundreds place no number. So we'll read this together. That is 50. 4,000 spelling THOUSAND. FIFTY 4050. 50 spelling FIFTY. All of you understood? Next. So this year we will start with our lesson 5-digit numbers. All these things we have learned last year, isn't it? Next we will start with 5-digit number. So which is the largest 4-digit number? 4 nines. How will you read it? 9,999. Again, we will add 1 to it. What we will get? 9 plus 1, 10. Carry over is the 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 plus 9, 10. So, after 1's period, we can insert a comma or leave some short space. Why we are doing it? To make it easy to read the large numbers. If it is 5 or more digits are given, we will separate them according to its period. So after 1's period, either leave some space or you can insert a comma. Now it is very easy to read the number 10,000. That is our smallest 5-digit number. So largest 4-digit number is 9,999. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. So which will be our largest 5-digit number? 5 nines will come. See, smallest 5-digit number 10,000. Here I have left some space. You can insert comma also. Greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. See, place value chart. I told if it is 5 or more digits, it is easy to read if we divided them into periods. So, from right to left, the first 3 digits that constitute the 1's period, and the next two, 4th and 5th, constitute thousands. You know, thousands and ones are called periods. And these places, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones, they are called places. So here 5 lies in 1's place, 4 lies in 10's place, 3 lies in 100's place, 2 is in 1,000's place, 1 is in 10,000's place. TH means 10,000's place. Now how will you read it? Here we have got the 5-digit number like this way. So what you have to do? After one period, you have to leave some space or insert a comma. Now it is easy to read. 12, in which period 12 lies? 1000's period. So 12,345. You know to read 345. Here 4th and 5th place is called thousands. So we have to read the periods together. So we have to read this much together. 12,345. See the number name? 12 spelling. TWELVE. 12,345. So these are the points to remember. The numbers with 5 or more digits are divided into periods. Why? To make it easy to read. Then second point, insert comma or leave short space to separate the periods. Third point, the first 3 digits from the right form the ones period. Fourth point, the 4th and 5th digits from the right form the thousands period. Next point is the digit in the same period are read together. Now we'll see the assignment. Write the number names. Here 5 digits are given. We are going to put the places first. Ones, ones place, tens, hundreds. So these constitute ones period. Then after that we have to put insert comma or leaves short space. Comma. Next digit is in thousands place. Next to thousands is 10,000. This constitute thousands period. So how will you read it? Periods together. 24,500. This together 78. We'll write it. 20 spelling you have to learn. Learn the spelling of thousand. THOUSAND. 24,500. 78. Next, Next is 53. This lies in thousands place. So how will you read? 53,107. Third one, here ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Either you can insert comma or use short space. Then here 0 lies in thousands place, 4 lies in 10,000 place. So how will you read it? How will you read it? 40,251. Hope you all have understood it. Just recall it, learn it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Clear, children? So work it out, learn properly. The next day we'll continue. Okay, thank you, children. Have a nice day.